Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today's video is a little bit different than what you usually see. Now you guys know that the crypto market is doing pretty well. Bitcoin is online to get to 100k, but it is a little volatile. So you need to make the correct decision to ensure that you do not end up losing money, especially if you're leverage trading. And I want to show you guys a tool that can be very helpful for that decision. And the one I'm talking about is Galileo FX. Galileo FX is pretty much a trading robot that automates buying and selling in financial markets like Forex, stock, and crypto. It connects to popular trading platforms such as MetaTrader 4 or the MetaTrader 5, follows the settings you choose to make the trade. So it's not going to get in your way and you decide how to trade, and Galileo FX handles the rest. You don't need any special skills, and you guys know trading is quite hard. It's not so easy, but this will make it much easier. It can be a little confusing, especially if you're just starting, and helps new traders by simplifying the process. It automatically looks for the trading opportunity, analyzes the market, and places the trades based on preset plans. Also, you know what's the best part? You can see the records that they have set, over 1000% return. They pretty much turn 10k into 133k. They do have a really high record. As you can see, about 3,200 people have reviewed it, and 4.8 rating out of 5 is quite impressive. At the same time, Galileo FX also has a demo mode where you can practice your trading with virtual money, so you're not actually risking your real life money. On the other end, Galileo FX offers many options to customize the trading bot so it can match the different goals and risk levels. It's a tool that grows over time. Now, a lot of you may have questioned, how does this actually work? So it works by analyzing the market trends and signal, and then buying or selling is based on those signals. This is going to use called consecutive signals to spot good times to trade, and you can control its behavior by settings like stop loss, take profit, or max orders. These settings help reduce the risk and improve consistency to ensure that you can make the most profit. For the first time, 150 plus simple ready to use strategies are available on Galileo FX. Download and apply them with 2 clicks, even turned an S&P 500 investment into a conversion starter. Now, just to give you perspective, Galileo FX monitors the market non-stop and places trades whenever your conditions are met. It's like having a trading assistant that follow your plan without needing a break. This makes trading easier and allows you to be able to do more things over your time and use your real life money. Automated trading with no experience required. What can be better than that? And after installation, it automatically opens and closes the trades based on your chosen settings, and the system doesn't require coding or manual trading skills. It's built for those who are new to trading, eliminating all of those problems. Funds are 100% locked, tested and verified weekly with nearly over 96% accuracy, and no experience is needed. It takes less than 5 minutes to start off. Another thing which is interesting is automated with no experience. That's the best, because why would you want to waste your time trying to learn if you can have someone help you learn? That's probably the best way to do it. They do accept a lot of different ways if you guys do want to buy this. On another way is you guys need to be paying attention to is the sort of performance that they have given in the past. A selection of the most successful and reliable performances just for you. Now, the range of Voyager, you can see that the amount of return that they have given in just about 1 year is kind of insane. And this is another one. Now, trending right now, you guys can see over time. The best part about this is this does not guarantee as, oh, overnight we can double your money. This is more like a slow growth in terms of you can do your leverage trades without having to worry about how everything is going to work. New and notably, the day's leading performers chosen for you, and you can see they are pretty good return, and these are the most popular ones. You can also follow different strategies. Now, features: start trading automatically 130 plus aiming with 96% accuracy, easy to set up. You simply just download and it will be connected to the popular trading platforms such as MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. I know most of us use that for trading, and that's exactly where this will be connected to. Simplified risk management. Galileo FX includes beginner-friendly risk management settings such as stop loss, max orders, lot size adjustment. These tools limit the losses to ensure that you do not blow your account. Community access for shared learning. Galileo has access to a private community of over 2,000 traders where you guys will be able to give your ideas. You can learn some new things, and there will be people who will be constantly there to help you. And at the same time, if you guys do need help, there will be someone you can contact 24/7. No minimum investment. Hey, that's the best part, because a lot of these people, they want you to at least put like 10K, 20K, a lot of money. Even if you want to start off with just 1K, that's completely okay, as this is going to be no minimum investment. You guys can start off with what is good for you in terms of how much money you have. Galileo FX performs technical analysis automatically to identify the high probability trades that you should learn complex analysis or chart reading. This feature helps beginners be informed, and you guys will get a pop-up in terms of this is probably the perfect time to purchase a specific time. Is Galileo FX legit in US? Yes, it is legit in US. The trading bot complies with the US regulations, including the FIFO rules enforced by the FTC. Now, what else do you need? And this is the calculator. You guys can do a little bit of, you can say, what do you want to do? And it's just like a lot of questions you can answer, so it can give you a little bit of perspective in terms of what you can do. What is your primary goal for the trading bot? Grow my investment over time. So you'll be able to answer everything, and then it will give you more clear indication in terms of how you can use Galileo FX for yourself. What is it about? Well, in simple terms, the AI is a big thing, and Galileo is pretty much trying to leverage off that to ensure that people are able to make more profit from the markets. Now, if you want to look for something like this, it would be very hard to find. The starting price right now is simply $1,428. I completely understand that's a little expensive, but trust me, what they are offering is out of the books, because it's like a one-time investment, but then you use your own money to grow your money as much as you possibly want. And this can be used for any trading pair. It's not like only specific one. If you do want to check them out, the link will be in the description. And in the best way possible, let me make a little better for you. This is going to be 20% off for you if you just use the code SPECIAL20. So pretty much your price goes down to 1,200. But again, it is a little expensive, so do your own research and then you guys can make your decision. So right now, it's probably the perfect time to get into this when the market is super volatile, so your ROI can be even bigger and you guys can make a better return. Thank you for watching the video till the end. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.